Gold has been trading in range throughout this day, while silver has got the support from 2450 levels and have bounced back. But at the same time, both are getting good resistance on the upside. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Before leaving the video, it's a request. Just press the bell icon so that you can remain updated with the twice a day analysis, and also please press the like button. Do share, subscribe and comment. This is a great motivation for me. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end, and also before you can remain updated by joining my free telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, certainly 1960 it has created a very strong bottom or base here at 1960, and you can see higher lows are seen, and since then we have seen this rise. Now also if you look at the moving averages, they have started to converge and willing to cross over for a bullish moment. But remember, a little reversal is only confirmed if it breaks past 1975 levels and stays above 1975 and then 1980 levels. So this zone is very important. In fact, till 85 it is a very critical zone for gold. 1973-85 zone and 1973, as we discussed earlier, this is a Fibonacci level, and certainly it can try to achieve those levels before looking downward. This is one of the probabilities. Also, if you look at the hourly charts, one bullish candle sideways and now trying to trade bullish from here. Now see, stochastic is rising back to overbought levels. MACD have crossed over here and it is trading with divergence looking upwards, indicating bullishness here. RSI is also looking upwards, indicating bullishness. Coming to the 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, the base here. See, first of all, one more point one has to note here is the lower highs which we are observing and a flat bottom. It is trying to squeeze and a possible rise above 1968. Now see, morning it was 1965. Now I am recommending you to buy here at 1968. However, till 73 and 75 zone you have to remain cautious alert. Only and only if it breaks past 1975 one can expect further bullishness. You can see 1975 was earlier the support. Now this is going to be a little stronger resistance. So one has to be watchful of this. Yes, there is a crossover between the 20 and 50. This is a bearish crossover. Stochastic is rising. Now see, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness looking upward. This is a good sign for the bulls here in gold. You can see first wave. Now this is the beginning of the second wave. This might pull the prices little up, which means possibly we may see 73 and 85 levels. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at 3 hour, now on the 3-hour charts, look at these two candles here. First of all, price is not willing to stay bearish. That is what these two candles indicate. And certainly now a sell entry is below 1960. That is also very clear. You can sell here at 1960. However, we have discussed in last week also 57 and 54. This is the zone which is going to give it a maximum support. Only and only if it breaks below 54 levels, further bearishness will prevail. Hence you can stay short below 1960, but with caution here. At the same time, look at this. On the upside we are seeing higher highs here and it is getting reversal from here. So let it break past 1968. You can buy here. Expect it to achieve slightly lower level, 72, 73, in fact 75 also, but that is also a retracement, not a reversal here. Stochastic rising. Now see, MACD, which was trading with a bearish bias here, now has converged strongly. And if you look at first wave, second wave is beginning. Possibly this might pull the prices little up, which suggests 73-85 levels cannot be denied. Coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, same observation here. Only thing is I am wary of is that lower highs, that this zone is going to remain critical for gold. Possibly this is going to be a tough zone to crack and it might get a very strong push here. Yes, right now it is forming symmetry. It could try to give this candle and it could try to take this candle till towards 1970-72 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, willing to converge. RSI is flat, and on the daily charts, if you look at, now see, on the daily charts, interestingly higher lows are seen, and since then we have seen it reversing after bearish candles. Now this candle could be almost of this size, which suggests that possibly we are going to look at around 70 to 73 levels before the end of the day here. but this is just my expectation and it can go either which ways. Hence you have to trade as per the level. See, stochastic looking down, it is still bearish. Now this is important on the daily charts. The MACD is still bullish. Wait for it to converge crossover. If it does, then only bears will prevail. RSI is almost. Looking at this now, I will recommend you to sell at 1965 and buy at 1968. But then on the upside, one has to remain cautious and alert of 72 to 75 level. 72 75 is now going to be a great resistance here. You can see one can expect a symmetrical candle here, which suggests that possibly a slightly lower levels from here might get achieved here. So yes, above 68 one can stay long. Below 60 you have to go short, but then we have to be alert for 57 and 54. Below 54 is where the bears will come in, and then we are going to look at 45 and 40 levels. Till 40, very strong support exists. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August, that is 6th of or 7th of August. You should join such that you can learn the tools, techniques and strategies which will help you identify profitable trades and identify market trends and help you take your positions accordingly. So do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver on the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can certainly see, first of all, 2470 is certainly proven out to be a great resistance so far. And yes, a buy entry is above 2470 levels. We have discussed this in the Asia session update that when this price eliminating the swap, eliminating the spread, if you buy here at 2470, that is what is the recommendation, and I will stick to it. Beyond that, still you have to remain watchful, cautious and alert for 2480 first resistance, 2490 second, and $25 level. Still 25 silver has great resistance. If you look at hourly charts, you will find silver so far is trading in this bearish channel. Hence above 2470, that should be a breakout. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish. You can see silver has stabilized here, now trying to look upwards. RSI is also looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts, if you look, similar observation on the 2-hour charts. First of all, lower highs are seen here, lower lows are seen here. Let it break past this 20 period moving average, and then certainly little more bullishness till towards 2490 or $25 levels can be expected. So far for the day, 2450 has proven out to be great support. Stochastic rising, MACD now willing to cross over for a buy. That is a good sign for silver, as it is coming after a long bearish track here on the 2-hour charts. RSI is rising here. Coming to 3-hour charts, now see similar observation on the 3-hour charts as well. Yes, the prices were divergent from the 20 and 50 period moving average. It is looking forward to retrace here. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish. Wait for a conversion and crossover, and then the bulls will take over. RSI coming out of the bottom, it is looking upwards now. On the 4-hour charts, now this is important. Now see on the 4-hour charts, see this was the reversal sign. Look at this candle, lower lows, higher highs are seen. The highs for this candle at around 2470-75 zone, and a strong pullback suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bearish. Yes, this is a reversal sign. Potentially from here, silver might try to show a little bullish momentum, but then it has got greater resistance till $25 levels, which one should be alert of. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is almost flat. Coming to the daily chart, see lower lows are done, 2450 it has taken the support at, and now trying to give you lower highs. Possibly we may see 2490, 2480 zone as the target here. Possibly it could achieve that, and it is a greater resistance also. Only beyond 25 we can say that silver has reversed, and potentially it will look forward to 2550 levels. Stochastic is oversold on the daily chart. Now see, this is important. MACD has been trading with the extreme divergence. Possibility of it to converge exists, and bearishness might prevail. RSI flat, not indicative of anything. So for the day, I will now recommend you to sell silver at 2450 levels and buy at 2470. In between these 20 cents, do not trade. And on the upside, still till $25 levels, you have to remain alert, cautious, watchful. It can reverse any point of time. Then these are greater resistance zone, and hence you have to be careful there. On the downside, below 2450 levels, 24, 40, 30, 20, very, very nearby. But yes, these are resistances. You cannot avoid it. You cannot change it. And hence you have to stick to 10 cents trailing stop loss till 24.20, which is a very good support. Below that, we may see a very good crash, which might take silver till towards 23.50 levels in few sessions. And hence take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.